Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You guys know I love giving back to this community, and that means helping you guys grow your own channels. It's tough out there. So many creators, so much content. How do you stand out? Well, today, we're diving into 7 amazing websites that can help you promote your YouTube channel for free and get more views. We're talking about tapping into communities, getting your content seen, and skyrocketing your subscriber count. And the best part? You don't need to spend a dime. These are all free platforms with massive audiences just waiting to discover your awesome content. Let's do this. First up, we've got Reddit, the front page of the internet. It's a vast and diverse platform where millions of users gather to discuss, share, and engage with content on virtually any topic you can imagine. Now, Reddit is all about finding your people. It's a place where communities, known as subreddits, form around shared interests and passions. Whether you're into gaming, cooking, or obscure hobbies, there's a subreddit for you. Think about what your channel is about, what kind of people would be into it. Identify your niche and the audience that would appreciate your content. This is crucial for targeting the right subreddits. Then, find subreddits dedicated to those topics. Spend some time exploring these communities, understanding their rules, and seeing what kind of content resonates with the members. Don't just spam your videos though, that's a one-way ticket to getting banned. Reddit has strict guidelines against self-promotion, so it's important to be mindful and respectful of the community's rules. Engage with the community, comment on other people's posts, and share your videos when it makes sense. Contribute valuable insights, ask questions, and be an active participant. Become a part of the conversation, and people will be way more likely to check out your channel. Building relationships and trust within the community can lead to organic growth and loyal followers. Think of it like making friends, not just promoting your stuff. Genuine interactions go a long way in creating a positive impression and encouraging others to support your content. Be genuine, be helpful, and watch your channel grow. Offer assistance, share your expertise, and be a resource for others. This will not only boost your credibility, but also attract more viewers to your channel. Oh, and one more thing. Reddit loves a good story. People are drawn to narratives that are engaging, relatable, and emotionally compelling. So when you do share your videos, tell a compelling story around it. Frame your content in a way that captures attention and sparks curiosity. Make it personal, make it relatable, and make people want to click. By connecting with your audience on a deeper level, you'll increase the chances of your videos being shared and viewed by a wider audience. Remember, success on Reddit doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right approach, it can become a powerful tool in your arsenal for growing your channel and reaching new viewers. So dive in, start engaging, and watch as your channel begins to thrive. Reddit can be your secret weapon for views if you use it wisely. Next up is Quora, the question and answer platform where you can position yourself as an expert in your niche. Find questions related to your channel's topic and write detailed, helpful answers. Don't just copy and paste from your video descriptions though. Put in the effort to provide real value. And when it makes sense, naturally link to your YouTube video within your answer. For example, if someone's asking about the best editing software for beginners and you just so happen to have a video on that, boom, link it up. But remember, keep it natural and relevant. You're not trying to trick people into clicking, you're providing additional value and resources. Quora is all about building trust and authority. When you consistently provide helpful answers, people see you as an expert and are more likely to check out your channel. It's like becoming the go-to person for your niche, and that's a powerful position to be in. Start by browsing through various questions related to your field. Look for those that have a high number of followers or views, as these are likely to get more attention. Before you answer, do some research. Make sure your response is well-informed and backed by credible sources. This not only adds value, but also builds your credibility. Take your time to draft a detailed answer. Break down complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand points. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make your answer more readable. Don't hesitate to add images, infographics, or even short video clips to your answers. Visual aids can make your response more engaging and easier to understand. Before you hit the submit button, review your answer. Check for any grammatical errors or typos. A well-polished answer reflects your professionalism. Engage with the community by responding to comments on your answers. This interaction can further establish your authority and encourage more people to follow you. Keep an eye on your Quora stats. Analyze which types of answers get the most upvotes and engagement. This can help you refine your strategy and focus on what works best. Don't forget to share your Quora answers on your social media platforms. This can drive more traffic to your Quora profile and in turn to your YouTube channel. By consistently providing valuable answers and linking to your YouTube videos, you'll see a steady increase in your subscriber count. It's a win-win situation. So, dive into Quora, start answering questions, and watch your authority and subscriber count grow. Happy answering! Let's talk about Facebook groups. There are groups for everything imaginable, which means there are groups full of people who are already interested in what you make videos about. Join relevant groups in your niche and start engaging. Share your thoughts, comment on other people's posts, and be a valuable member of the community. Once you've built up some trust, you can start sharing your videos. But again, don't be spammy. Make sure your videos are relevant to the group's interests and provide value to the members. Facebook groups are all about building relationships, so focus on connecting with people and providing value, and your channel will grow organically. Twitter, the land of 280 characters or less, can still be a goldmine for promoting your YouTube channel. Use relevant hashtags in your tweets so people can find you. Engage with other creators in your niche, retweet interesting content, and participate in Twitter chats. And when you share your videos, make sure to write compelling tweets that make people want to click. Don't just post the title of your video, give people a reason to watch. Tell them what they'll learn, make them laugh, or pique their curiosity. The more engaging your tweets, the more likely people are to click through to your YouTube channel. Instagram, the king of visual content, is a fantastic place to promote your YouTube channel. Create eye-catching graphics and video snippets to share on your feed and stories. Use relevant hashtags and tag other creators in your niche. And don't forget about IGTV. Upload longer-form content to IGTV and then promote it on your feed and stories. You can even use Instagram Live to connect with your followers in real time and direct them to your YouTube channel. The key with Instagram is to be visually appealing and engaging. Use high-quality images and videos, write captivating captions, and make people want to see more. Now, you might not think of LinkedIn as a place to promote your YouTube channel, but hear me out. LinkedIn is more than just a digital resume or a job hunting site. It's a powerful platform for networking, sharing knowledge, and establishing your professional brand. If your channel is related to business, marketing, or any other professional niche, LinkedIn can be a goldmine. Imagine reaching an audience that is already interested in professional growth and development. This is where LinkedIn shines. Join relevant LinkedIn groups and share your videos in a way that provides value to the group members. These groups are filled with professionals looking for insights and tips. By sharing your content, you position yourself as an expert in your field. For example, if you have a video about how to create a killer LinkedIn profile, share it in a group for job seekers. This not only helps the group members, but also drives targeted traffic to your channel. Just like with the other platforms, make sure you're providing value and not just spamming your content. Engage with the community by commenting on posts, offering advice, and participating in discussions. This builds trust and credibility. LinkedIn is all about building professional relationships, so use it to connect with other professionals in your niche and share your expertise. Attend virtual networking events, join webinars, and follow industry leaders. By doing so, you expand your network and open up new opportunities for collaboration and growth. Additionally, LinkedIn provides analytics tools that help you understand how your content is performing. Use these insights to refine your strategy and create even more engaging content. Track metrics like views, likes, shares, and comments to see what resonates with your audience. Regularly update your LinkedIn profile to reflect your latest achievements and skills. A well-maintained profile attracts more connections and opportunities. Highlight your YouTube channel in your profile summary and experience sections to drive more traffic. Finally, take advantage of LinkedIn Learning to enhance your skills and knowledge. By continuously improving yourself, you stay ahead in your field and provide even more value to your audience. So, don't underestimate the power of LinkedIn in leveling up your professional game. Last but not least, we have Pinterest, the visual search engine that can drive massive traffic to your YouTube channel. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your videos. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions so people can find your content. And don't forget to join relevant Pinterest group boards. Group boards are a great way to get your pins seen by a wider audience. The key with Pinterest is to create high-quality, visually appealing pins that are relevant to your target audience. Think about what people in your niche are searching for on Pinterest and create pins that provide value and solve their problems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. We've covered a lot of ground today, from Reddit to Pinterest, but the most important thing is to take action. Don't let this information just sit in your brain. Pick one of these platforms and start implementing what you've learned today. Let us know in the comments which website you're going to try first. And as always, keep creating awesome content. I'll see you in the next video.